Hello, this is question number 14 of the Murray Group Insurance Services 100 Insurance Questions Answered in 100 Days video series. Today's question is, how does my flood zone affect flood insurance premiums? So there are 4 types of flood zones. There's A, B, C, and X. A is high risk. If you live in an A flood zone and you have a mortgage on your home, your mortgage company most likely mandates you hold flood insurance. Premiums are much higher than if you're in any of the other 3 zones. If you're in B, C, or X, according to the National Flood Insurance Program, you are considered in a low or moderate risk zone. It does not mean you can't have a flood. If you live in the Albany, New York, or upstate New York, Hudson Valley region, Hurricane Irene hit, and you became very aware that you do not have to live in a flood zone to actually experience a flood. However, the insurance premiums in B, C, or X are very reasonably priced versus how much coverage you get. According to FloodSmart.gov, which is the National Flood Insurance Program's official website, $250,000 in building coverage with $100,000 in personal property costs approximately $405 a year if you have a basement. So that's relatively reasonable considering how much coverage you get. So if you live in flood zone A, you most likely already have flood insurance, and you're not happy about paying those premiums. But if you live in a B, C, or X, you're considering a low to moderate risk, I would encourage you to purchase a flood policy, but just remember the premiums are very reasonable in those low to moderate risk zones. So that's how flood zone affects your flood insurance premiums. This is question number 14. How does flood insurance affect, or how does flood zone affect my flood insurance premiums? And this is the Murray Group Insurance Services 100 Insurance Questions Answered in 100 Days video series. Thank you and have a great day.